pretty interesting.
Okay, eat it. Damn it. We're all
It's
waiting
dead.
for you.
Really, it's dead now.
Yeah.
Come on.
Maybe it's stuck on his beak and he can't get it off.
He's just compulsive
We're all
type
up for
A.
supposition here. Everybody give it. Let's go. What do we think is going on with this picture?
He's obsessive compulsive.
Yeah.
Just trying to get it right. So
Well, you know, it's kind of like a raccoon that plays with its food in the water and mashes it up so that it's easier to chew.
see, he's trying to get it over.
I think
Right
he's
angle
just trying to
go
see how
down.
many tourists he can sucker in. That's what he's trying to do.
Yep, there it goes. There it goes. He's got it now. There you go. He's got it now.
Come on, kiddo, you can do it. All right. Oh, look at the size of that thing. Oh, it's still moving.
Go on.
Maybe he just hates the way it wiggles in his tummy when it's All right, good job.